Hello, today we will be comparing Hamilton BH5 Cab Drip coffee maker with easy front fill basket versus KIDISLE hot and ice coffee maker with bowl setting. Be sure to watch the end and tell which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of beverage, KIDISLE is better. Brewing capacity, KIDISLE is better. Single serve option is high. Iced coffee compatibility, KIDISLE is better. Brews range control, KIDISLE is better. Water reservoir, KIDISLE is better. Heating speed, KIDISLE is better. Ease of use, KIDISLE is better. Heating speed is time, sorry. Technology, KIDISLE is better. Footprint design, Hamilton is better. Cleaning is time. Build quality, KIDISLE is better. Special features, KIDISLE is better. Coffee quality, KIDISLE is better. Price depends on your preferences. Who's best for depends on your preferences. Durability, KIDISLE is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the KIDISLE hot and iced coffee maker with bowl setting. The link to buy it is in the video description.